guys, it's your girl Ryan. But this video is very different from the usual, so let's call this as ARCHIBREAK. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe down there and click the bell for more updates. So because it's super hot in the Philippines and I'm bored in the house because it's quarantine, I'm going to cut my own hair at my own wrist. But before I decided to do this one, I also watched videos kung paano nila kinat yung hair nila at home. So I think I'm going to apply some of the steps that they did. Pero hindi natin malalaman kung natutunan ko ba talaga yon if we're not going to try. So let's go. So malalaman natin guys kung maa-apply ko ba yung mga archi skills ko dito sa
pagpapantay ko ng buhok, saka yung mga pagkukulay ko, pag-re-ender ko, natin mo.
trabaho dito. Ayun guys, kasi sabi nila, gagawin daw dapat, pantay na pantay daw yan. Siyempre kung paano yung style talaga ng hair mo, kapag, tapos ayun, gagamit tayo ng rubber band, tapos ipopony daw natin. So, eto lang yung rubber band na available ko today. Actually, hindi ko pa sure kung gaano ka-ikli. So, ang haba niya na kasi talaga. Nakikita niyo ba yung ihinaba niya? So, yeah, I'm going to color my hair today as well. So, this is how architecture students cut their own hair. Dapat daw pantay sila. So, kapag nandito naging okay, papagupit ulit tayo bukas. Tapos, kapag ginupit nyo siya, dapat may allowance. Like, hindi sagad na sagad dito. Ala! This is the first time that I'm going to do this one. So, natutaka talaga ako as in. Pero ang init na kasi, hindi ko na din kaya. Yeah, it's harder than I thought. You know guys, sobrang risk taker ko talaga as in. That's one of my distinct quality. I think this one will look more terrible. Grabe, wag po akong i-judge ng mga hairstylist. Kaya po talaga ang quarantine pass.
You have been slain.
Ayan, kung makikita po natin, diba? Wow. Oh no! Ayan. Ay! Actually, it's a bit long pa naman, kaya hindi ako masyado nag-worry. Better talaga kung maglalagay kayo ng mahabang extra pa. Para if magkamali kayo, it's fine. But as much as I can see, it looks good. Wait lang. Although hindi perfect, of course. But yeah, I think it looks decent now. Okay na ba yan, guys? Usapin nyo naman ako. So, I'm going to cut my own bangs as well. Ayan. Tago natin siya sa likod para hindi nyo mapansin yung pantay. Medyo nagsisi ako sa bangs ko kasi may limit eh. Pero hahaba din naman guys. Huwag kayong matakot mag-risk sa life na to. Kasi as long as buhay pa tayo, we have unlimited chances. Guys, I also want to greet Lucid Lips for my lip gloss. Thank you so much. Check out their IG and their Facebook page. I'm going to color my hair with Revlon. Para lang magpantay. So, ayan, ito siya. Kasama siyang gloves. It also comes with a conditioner after coloring your hair. This one. So, we're going to try. So, I'm going to combine coloran to this one. So, madalas naman kapag nagkukulay, dalawa talaga siya. Like, yung isa is para pampakapit ng kulay. Then, the other one is yung mismong kulay. So, for this one here. And then, we're going to shake it.
Take control.
happened to my hair, guys. And I know medyo hindi siya pantay. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, at your own risk. Masaya naman ako sa ginawa ko. Except for my bangs. Hindi ko masyado sure. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam din kung ba't ko ginupit. Oh, no! Yung hair ko, medyo hindi nga siya pantay. And I kinda realized it after I ironed it. Kaya medyo mahirap ng remedyohan because it's already set. Baka ayusin ko na lang siya later. This is what happened to this video. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko ito ginawa. Wala namang batas na nagsasabing bawal. Kaya ayan. So, ayun, actually, one of my struggle is yung gunting kapag hindi siya super talas. Actually, tried the other scissor and mas mahirap. So, eto medyo matulis na talaga siya. Pero dahil makapal kasi talaga yung buhok ko, kahit na hinati ko siya sa dalawa, medyo mahirap talagang gupitin. Sa hairstylist, and this is my first time doing this. Kaya, don't judge me. Nood na lang kayo ng Archi videos ko. So, at the end of the day, guys, it's your choice. And as long as it makes you happy, I actually don't regret anything I did kahit hindi patay yung buhok ko. And one of the reasons doing this one is, di ba minsan kasi may mga nagsasabing kapag mabigat daw yung kamay mo, kapag ginupit mo yung hair mo, baka daw matagal tumubo. So, ayun. Pero hindi naman ako masyado nag-worry since it's quarantine and masyado nga mainit. So, just a gentle reminder, guys, you don't always need validations from other people. Kung sasabihin nila sa'yo na hindi bagay, it's okay. As long as it makes you feel good, as long as komportable ka and okay ka, hindi mo kailangang mag-intay na sabihan ng ibang tao na maganda ka because you're already pretty on your own way. You're beautiful on your own way. Ikaw dapat yung unang nagsasabi niyan sa sarili mo. Okay? So, I think that's all for this video, guys. Baka unsubscribe nyo na ako. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Or if you like me, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell for more updates.